Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss a very important question that is asked whenever you are going for any RDBMS or SQL Server or MySQL interview, and the order of the execution of a particular SQL query and how which particular statement is given more priority than other. So if you talk about a simple query in which so if you talk about a simple SQL statement in which we have select, then some column name, then from table name, then we have a where condition, then we have group by, then we have having statement, then we have order by, and then we have limit. So normally, just to understand your how the execution of this particular which particular statement, like where, then you have order by, then you have limit, then you have having, group by. So what will be the order of the execution? This is normally asked. So it is very important that we should understand like how this particular statement is executed. So it start from the table. So first thing is like what is the table name. So once the table is executed, then second part will be the where condition, because what we need to fetch from the table. Once that is done, then we will go for the group by, where we are going for all this aggregation operation, and then we will go for having. So once these all conditions are done from the table, then comes the select part, because these four conditions are very important, and based upon that data is fetched. So once all these conditions are met, they are executed, then finally we execute the select statement. And once the select statement is executed, after that we have two more statement. One is your order by and another is your limit. Since this order by and limit, it doesn't have anything from execution of data from the actual, like the table. It is basically once the we have the table data, once we have the exact information based upon the where condition, based upon the group by condition, based upon the having condition, then it is basically a filter way in which in order we are saying that we want the data in either ascending or descending order. And in case of limit, we are just saying that instead of 10 we want 3, or instead of 10 we want 15, whatever. So these two statement comes last, because again this is not specific to what data is going to be fetched from the database. It is basically how the data will be presented, and it is basically related to the filtering of data, in which we are just presenting the data on the console or to the user based upon either ascending or descending order. And also if it is some paging we have implemented in our page, so what will be the page size. So based upon that we declare the limit part. So if it is 10 data per page, so we will put limit on 10 data. So again, this is very important question. You need to understand a big SQL statement, how it is broken into small statement, and which particular keyword, whether it is from, then it is where, then it is group by, then it is having, and after that we have the select. So once all these things are calculated, then we get the data from the table, and after that we do the filtering operation. So friends, this was all about SQL interview question. We will be discussing some more questions in the coming video. Thank you for watching this video.